What's going on YouTube and citizens of Margaritaville? Sure, why not? This is Drew coming back with another soda review today. We did the Passion Fruit Punch Mountain Dew. Today we're going to do the Caribbean Splash. Caribbean, I call it Caribbean. I don't know what's correct. Anyway, this is a limited edition Baja Blast Mountain Dew, and it's hot outside today in South Carolina. So let's see how it smells. It smells mango orangish, if I'm not mistaken. That's what it smells like to me. Anyway, let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it tastes kind of peachy. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Guava. This particular bottle I got tastes kind of flat, so I'm kind of disappointed. Give it a 3 out of 5. Try it out. Maybe yours won't be flat.